TensorFlow, why is tf.case giving me the wrong result? I'm trying to use tf.case, this URL, to conditionally update a tensor. As shown, I'm trying to update learning underscore rate to 0.01 when global underscore step equals 2, and to 0.001 when global underscore step equals 4. However, when global underscore step equals 2, I already get learning underscore rate equals 0.001. Upon further inspection, it looks like tf.case is giving me the wrong result when global underscore step equals 2, I get 0.001 instead of 0.01. This is happening even though the predicate for 0.01 is evaluating to true, and the predicate for 0.001 is evaluating to false. Am I doing something wrong, or is this a bug? TF version 1.0.0 Code. Results.
This was answered in this URL. It turns out that tf.case behavior is undefined if, in fn underscore tensors, the lambdas return a tensor that was created outside of the lambda. The correct usage is to define the lambdas such that they return a newly created tensor. According to the linked GitHub issue, this usage is required because tf.case must create the tensor itself in order to hook up the tensor's inputs to the correct branch of the predicate.
If you want to see more, classic on table 63.